Hey everyone, it's Lauren Cannon with Millennium Sounds, and today we want to introduce you to one of our newest projects,
the Steadman Apartments.
The luxurious Steadman Apartments are located in Carmel, Indiana at Spring Mill Road and 111th Street. Our team installed TVs and speakers throughout the property, and every room has an 8-inch touchscreen panel for control.
My name is Jennifer Sewell. I'm a Vice President for Cityscape Residential. The Steadman Apartments is a new development in Carmel, Indiana. It's one of our flagship apartments for Cityscape Residential. So it's currently under construction. We just opened it up for a first residence. We're really proud of it. So once it's finished, it'll have around 260 units. We have a really large clubhouse here, which Millennium Sound helped us with. So right now in the clubhouse, it's a 3-story clubhouse, lots of amenities, lots of co-working spaces, large kitchen area for the residents, clubhouse outside, dog spa, dog park, large gaming area, and then one of our favorite amenities has a rooftop deck.
All right, I've got to take you to the rooftop. Going up? Ah, nice. We're here.
We chose Millennium Sounds for the Steadman Apartments. We had seen Millennium Sounds in some other high-end apartments throughout Indianapolis, and we wanted a high-end contractor for this project. So we had a great experience with them from the beginning, initial, all the way throughout the project. I really enjoyed how they helped us kind of from even choosing where the TVs would go to the system and the programming. There's a really cool touch program, and we can use it from our phones. We have touch pads throughout the community. Really thoughtfully designed. The team was really responsive whenever we had questions. It helped train our staff, which is really helpful. It was an overall great experience, and we hope to use them on future projects.
Well, that's it for now, guys. Let us know what you think about the Steadman Apartments in our comments. And as usual, follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.